What's up, guys? Hope your day has been going great so far. A little bit of a crummy day here. Rain, haven't had any in a while, kind of need it. So it's a little bit crummy out, right? But where it hasn't been crummy is in the market. And as we can see, over the course of the day, pretty much everything has been green. And we kind of needed a day like this. Now, if you're not familiar with what's going on, they came out with the jobs report earlier today. And there were some surprising stats in there. So they actually added more jobs than expected. They actually expected, I believe, under 200,000, and they added 261,000 jobs last month. So one of the things that was kind of weird, obviously, is unemployment did rise. We did see participation in the workforce drop slightly, and wage growth has cooled. Okay, so that means obviously the amount of money that people are making, it's not increasing as much as it was. Now, the reason that the market is green, right? Because all this stuff sounds like, yeah, great, we added more jobs, but unemployment is up and wage growth is slowing. It sounds like these are bad things, right? You would think the market would drop. Well, I've learned that with the jobs report, things go the opposite way. So this is actually a sign that inflation may actually be peaking. It may actually be, slowing down. And this is really important because, again, this is going to impact how the Fed reacts moving forward. We know that, unemployment was still low, wages weren't really slowing down. We know that inflation hadn't really been coming down with the interest rate hikes that they had been doing, but now there's a sign that this could all be starting to reverse. I think honestly a big event, a big indicator that we're going to have to pay attention to is the CPI report that's coming on the 10th. I think that's going to be a huge indicator, because if we start to see, a big pullback in inflation there, I'd say probably 0.5% or more, we might, there might be a little bit of temperament on the amount of interest rate hikes that there are going forward. Now, I know the Fed has said they want to raise interest rates again, and they do want to do it, at a slower rate. Okay, they want to slow down, especially moving into the early part of this next year. But if we get to the point where these numbers are good enough for them to just say, hey, we don't think we need to raise it anymore, that's great. Do I think that's going to happen? No. I still think they're going to really try to push hard to, raise rates as much as possible to try to bring this down. But, that's at least what's going on. That's why the market is reacting the way that it is today. We'll obviously still see, we got midterms coming up in a couple days here. So definitely something to watch there. Again, the CPI report's going to be a big indicator too. So we'll obviously see how the rest of the market reacts. We might get a little bit of cooling off now that we had such, a good day for crypto as a whole. There's a lot of coins that, posted good gains. Some even posted double-digit gains today, which is awesome. It was a time where the market needed it, and we're getting a little bit off of that bottom that we had recently here. Now, I'm not saying the crypto bottom is in or anything like that. There's still obviously a ways that we need to go to get to where things are fine. Okay, that's all I really got for you guys in this video, but that's at least what's going on. Just wanted to obviously keep you guys informed. I didn't know, this information before, didn't know how to read these reports. So I think it's obviously important that, someone at least tries to break it down for everyone and, tries to make it a little bit easier to understand. So as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video. If you haven't already, do show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, have an awesome start to your weekend, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.